So today we will do normal and orthogonal wave functions. There are two types of wave functions, normal and orthogonal wave functions. So what are first of all we will do, पहले हम करेंगे normal wave function. When the probability of finding electrons summed over all the space is 1, the condition is said to be normalized. उस condition को हम कहते हैं normalized. ये this is one of the, आपने जो solutions पढ़े हैं Schrödinger wave equation के, उसमें you must have gone through that psi must be normalized. तो वो normalized क्या है? मतलब आपका wave function normal wave function होना चाहिए. मतलब the probability of finding electron should be 1, means there should be presence of electron at any point. कहीं ना कहीं electron should be present. This condition is said to be normalized. Now integration of psi square in case psi square is probability density, or psi star means in case your जो आपका wave function है, it is not real, it is imaginary, then we will take psi star as probability density. In case your wave function is real, we will take psi square. Integration of psi square or psi star square over whole space for from minus infinity to plus infinity, that is the space we will take, must be equal to 1. Now this is this is the whole space. Psi square means probability density over whole space. X, Y and Z are the coordinates. ये coordinates हैं X, Y and Z. So probability of finding over the whole space, that should be equal to 1. This will be in case your wave function is imaginary. If psi is imaginary, psi star dx dy dz means over whole space, it should be equal to 1. But we know that जो psi square और psi star है, it is proportional to probability in the volume dx dy dz. This is psi square और psi star is proportional, it is not equal to, ये proportional होता है उसके density के. तो हमें अगर इसको equal बनाना है, then हम यहाँ पे तो proportionality का जो sign है that will be removed, वो हट जाएगा. तो वो हटेगा तो क्या आएगा आपका, तो एक constant आएगा. तो जो constant यहाँ पे आता है that is n, और उसको हम बोलते हैं normalization constant. So I'll read it. But psi square or psi star is proportional to the probability in the volume dx dy dz. So wave function can be normalized by multiplying it with constant n, such that the resulting wave function gives the probability. So now what will be your equation? आप दोनों जो wave function के साथ n will come, n will be multiplied. n psi dx dy dz n square, since it is a constant तो ये इंटीग्रेशन के साइन से बाहर आ जाएगा. psi square dx dy dz that is equal to 1, and we have, you know, it cross multiplication, what we will get, psi square dx dyz is equal to n raised to power minus 2. In case your wave function is imaginary, then it will be, this will be the equation, dx dy n psi dx dy dz that is equal to 1, or psi star, in case psi is imaginary, it is not a real wave function, dx dy dz that will be equal to n raised to power minus 2. Now this was all about normal wave function. Next type of wave function we have is orthogonal wave function. So what is orthogonal wave function? Orthogonality means mathematical terms में that product of two wave functions integrated over whole space must be equal to 0. Now if psi1 and psi2 are two different wave functions having complex conjugate psi1 star and psi2 star, in case they are imaginary, then they are orthogonal to each other if mathematically psi1 psi2 star dx dy dz is equal to 0, or psi2 psi1 star dx dy dz is equal to 0. Means that obviously two wave functions क्या होते हैं, wave functions we constitute wave functions to find the प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन, हम इलेक्ट्रॉन को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, उसकी पोजीशन पता लगाने के लिए, ऑर्बिटल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम वेव फंक्शन को कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं। तो अगर हमारे देयर कैन नॉट बी ऑर्थोगोनल वेव फंक्शंस मीन्स दैट product of two wave functions that will be equal to 0. Obviously it will be equal to 0 because electron cannot exist in two different wave functions. अलग अलग वेव फंक्शन में योर इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं एग्जिस्ट कर सकता, उसमें उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी नहीं हो सकती है। सो दैट इज वाई। और अगर इसको हमें मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स में डिफाइन करना हो तो हम इसी तरह करेंगे। ऑर्थोगोनैलिटी मीन्स दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेव फंक्शंस इंटीग्रेटेड ओवर होल स्पेस मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0। दिस विल बी, अगर आपके दो डिफरेंट वेव फंक्शंस हैं देन देयर प्रोडक्ट दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 0। सो if psi1 and psi2 in case they are, this is the equation in case they are your imaginary wave functions. Now in case psi1 psi2 are real wave functions, then it will be equal to psi1 is psi1 psi2 dx dy dz integrated over whole space, that is equal to 0. This will be in case you have the real wave function. So this is all about your orthogonal and orthogonal wave function and your normal wave function. Thank you.